Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect and link basically your Rainbow Six Siege accounts. So for example, like on PlayStation and PC. So first of all, what you want to do is open up Ubisoft Connect, go on your profile and click on account management. And after that, go ahead and click account Ubisoft. After that, you will be redirected to this page where you can, on account information, you will see linked accounts if you scroll down. And here you will see which ones you have connected. Now, if you want to link, for example, PlayStation, you're going to click link. Then you're going to click continue. And after that, you will need to log in to your PSN account. Now, after you will sign into it, you will see this link. Now, if you want to merge the accounts, you can just go to Ubisoft itself. And as you can see, the merging accounts is not possible to merge two Ubisoft accounts. So that's pretty much it on merging the accounts. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.